Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a no-risk solo farming method for arc traders, especially how to farm Rocketeer drivers efficiently without needing a team or putting yourself in danger. This method is safe, repeatable, and perfect for grinding materials or XP fast. So first let's talk about what we are farming here. Rocketeer drivers. These enemies drop valuable loot, parts, and materials, so you'll need to upgrade your gear. Normally, farming them can be risky because they fire rockets and have dangerous attacks. I'll tell you how to avoid that risk. Step 1. Pick the right mission or encounter where rocketeers spawn regularly. You want a map area that has multiple spawn points but also good cover points. This makes it easier to pull them out one by one instead of getting overwhelmed. Look for missions with open areas plus cover you can retreat to. Avoid very tight spaces where enemies can flank you quickly. Next, your weapon and build choice. Go with a loadout that has strong single target damage because you will be picking them off one at a time. A high damage sniper or rifle, a weapon with burst fire, a secondary that's good in close quarter if needed. Also equip armors or mods that improve your survivability and mobility. This makes sure you can kite enemies if you take a shot. Avoid overly heavy weapons that slow you down. Speed matters in solo farming. Now let's talk about positioning. This is the key to a no risk solo farm. When you see a rocketeer, pull it alone and kite it back to a safe spot. Use cover and high ground where you can see them but they can't hit you easily. Don't run into groups, always fight one at a time. This way you reduce the chance of getting caught in rocket fire. Every time you take one down, reset your position and call the next one. If another enemy group shows up, don't panic. Let them come to a pre-chosen safe zone where you have the advantage. Then push them down, use grenades or abilities if available, and kite around a cover to avoid damage. Prioritize rocketeers first, then the rest. Remember, your goal is control, not speed, when the risk of death is high. Once you've cleared the area, reset the encounter and respawn the enemies for farming. This method works in a loop. Pull, kill, reset, and pull again. If you stick to one enemy at a time and keep good positioning, you'll stay alive and collect loot fast. So that's basically it, a safe solo method to farm Rocketeer drivers in Arc Raiders. You have to focus on picking the right mission, picking the smart loadouts, using cover and positioning, never taking on too many at once. So yes, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, drop a like, comment your favorite loadout, and subscribe for more Arc Raiders guides. Thanks for watching.